Welcome to Flip Fashion. Today I'm gonna review this lipstick from MyGlamm. It's their Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Boo. And I also got a scratch card from this, which I have already scratched. I already unboxed this lipstick in a short video I posted few days back. This lipstick comes in a pink and white cardboard box packaging. And this is similar to Nykaa, but this one has an autograph from Shraddha Kapoor and general details like price and ingredients and all on the cardboard itself. And once you open it, you get the beautiful liquid lipstick. I really love the packaging and like the shade itself. The lipstick is very long lasting, it's smudge proof, and it's really nice. It's a must buy from my side. The shade is Boo, as I already told you. This is the wand, the closer look of the wand. Now let me tell you how you can get this lipstick that is worth Rs 395 just for Rs 99. First, click on the link given in the description box and then start the survey. You can choose whatever options, it doesn't matter at all. And once you're done, then you just need to click on Get Free Lipstick. That will appear. Now if you want to choose the same shade, you can choose the shade Boo, or you can choose any shade as per your wish. Then click on Claim Your Free Product. Now you can see the value, the shopping bag value is 99 rupees, which is actually the shipping charges, not the price. You get it for free if you add another product worth Rs 199 or more. For example, I'll show you. I'll add this lipstick in my cart and then you can choose any shade as I told you. Yeah. So now you can just see that the price value is 199 and there's no cost for the lipstick that we have chosen earlier. So that lipstick is actually free now. It's your choice whether you buy one lipstick for 99 or two for Rs 199. Then you can add your phone number or email ID, and you can also put my referral code which I have mentioned in the description box below. I hope this video was useful. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.